Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to embed a Google form. So let's get into the video. Start by opening Google Form. Locate the form you want to embed and click on it to open the form. Now click on the Send button. In the Send options, click on the Embed tab. Here you will find options to embed the form into a website or share the link. Customize the embedding options to suit your needs. Click Copy to copy the provide embed code. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.